This is a BECKETT oil burner. I'm gonna put a new nozzle in. It don't run. First thing I'm gonna do, come up here, hit the power, and yank the plug for safety, because this is electric. Next thing, take a screwdriver. There's 2 screws back here. Loosen them up. Should come front. These are electricity. That's why you want to unplug it. You get shocked from that. That's what it looks like in there. That's what we're going to pull out. Okay, next I'm going to take my line wrench. You want to loosen this fuel line right here. Because this has to come off. Being careful, because that's a copper line and it can be busted. So you gotta be really gentle with it. Should have some rags here, because it's gonna be messy. Okay, now I'm gonna take my pliers. If you can see it, there's a little right there. You want to loosen that up with a channel locker pliers. It's hard to do with making movies. You want to loosen that up. What I like to do when I get this all the way off is slide it on your copper line right there. Now that thing in there should be loose, which it is. Be very careful, these are ceramic. You don't want to bust them. Okay, here's the tricky part. You're gonna try and get this out of here. You gotta do some wiggling. But it comes out. Okay, hold on. Okay, I got it loose. It took me about a minute. It's like putting a puzzle together. It's hard getting in and out. That's the old nozzle. The old burner unit. It's a mess. It's pretty messy. Have your rag handy, it's full of oil. That's inside there. I'll show you that later. Okay. Can you see this?
Yeah.
That's what goes on there. You're gonna take your wrench. You're gonna put the one wrench on here. You're gonna put the other wrench on here. And you're gonna break it loose. Goes a little harder than that, but I'm gonna take this off.
I don't have to keep my hand on that button.
You do have to keep quiet though. Then you take this and put the new one in here. Snug it up good.
Did you ask him if he was European or was he gay?
Yes. Yes, I did.
Why did you ask him?
Because he walked in and he was super hot, and I was with my gay friends, and they were like, oh no, girl, he's off his mind. And I was like, no, I think he's European. And they were like, no, no, he's super well dressed. And I was like, exactly, he's European. First I said to my husband, excuse me, are you gay or European?
I'll clean this up a little bit.
European, by the way.
Should use a solvent, but I didn't bring any with, so. But this will work. You can use like a cleaner, carburetor cleaner.
All right, next question. How did your husband
Clean the electrodes off.
choose company, but three's a crowd, especially when my wife's friend Blake comes over?
And that should be ready to go.
I will say my friend
Push the button in the middle.